Alright, so today we're gonna fix my fucking clutch hydraulics. Hopefully it's just a slave cylinder. They're notorious for going out. I should get a Rodney Dickman one, but I'm poor, so we're gonna try that. And then I have a couple ideas on, I'm gonna try and get a caliper working. That'd be great, but we'll see. So first things first, we gotta get this old one out. Try and get that one in. Hopefully it's the right one, because there's two different versions of this, where this one's studded and the other one doesn't have studs, obviously. So hopefully it's that one. But yeah, let's get this thing off. Alright, for those that don't watch Team Boosted, I just pulled the fucking Team Boosted. I took off the fucking slave, and then I fucking pushed on the rod like a fucking dumbass. I sprayed myself right in the fucking eye. Fuck, that sucked. Fucking A. Brake fluid in the eye sucks. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. So, but I got even worse news. So here, I'll flip the camera around so you guys can see. Okay, so what we have here is the slave, or like the clutch slave, the bracket. But this broke off. When I took out the bolt, it was broke off already. This is a notorious thing to break on these fucking things, because my last one I had, it also broke. I don't remember where it broke. Probably the same fucking ear here. So what we're going to do is probably try and fabricate another one from steel, instead of this gay pot metal shit. So yeah, this really sucks. This really cuts into my time frame here. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that could have been a part of the problem, and I'm also pretty sure that this thing might be shot. So I mean, I guess we could just pull this guy off. I mean, that looks dry. I mean, it looks dry. Who knows? It could be fucked or something. I don't know. But yeah, let's get this fucker off and try and fabricate one up. All right, so this is what this is. So like so. This is what we've got so far. So I'll just have to drill this hole over here. Probably have to put these squares on there. I'm not sure, because I think they're alignments of some sort. Got that one there. And then, yeah, so pretty much mimicked most of it. Now I'll just have to do a piece, probably on this side, to stiffen up all this. But yeah, getting close. I'll have to just notch this fucker out, drill some holes, and hopefully we're good to go. Alright, so there it is, it's on there. At least this is like the test fit. So this guy goes in there. This is not the same style as the other one, so I'm gonna have to fucking figure out how I'm gonna get that brake line or the clutch line into there, because before it just went straight into the bottom. So it's kind of geeky. But yeah, we'll make it work. So let's get this thing off, get it finished cleaned up, slap some paint on it, and then get this thing all bolted up, and then get that line rebent, and hope to God that this fixes the issue. Alright, got it bolted on. This one, design flaw. I mean, it was the same on the other one. But yeah, kind of hard to get to this one. But they're as tight as they can be. They got lock nut washers on there, so should be fine. I'm not going to paint it, because I got to test it before I start making it look pretty, I guess. So let's get this thing on there. Alright, so it's on there. We bled it. Problem still exists. I can see it's only moving like a 1/4 inch. I think it's supposed to move like almost 1.25 inches. So I'm pretty sure that the master is fucked. It's the only thing I can think of, because I don't think the arm moved, because there's really no way for that fucking arm to move. Plus, I mean, if I try and press on it, it's right there. So I don't think that would be the solution. But yeah, I don't know, maybe I try a longer rod. I don't know if I have one. I'll have to look around. What do you fucking know? O'Reilly's, you got me good. So this one, shiny one, that's the new one. The one on the right, yeah, that's the one that was in there. So now we'll put this one in, and hopefully that will fucking fix the problem. That's fucking better hope. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, so We did it. It's working. Fuck yeah. Thank God I thought about the rod. So, ha, got him. That's what she said. So, yeah, it's on there. Moving really good. This is what I do for bleeding. Put this on there. Then up to there. I showed it before. But yeah, so now we're good. Clutch feels good. Well, I haven't really driven it yet, but it's catching way at the top. So that's awesome. Now the only thing I got to do is, well, we got to go pick up Paul's car because, of course, he broke down. So we got the battery charging over there because we're still having alternator issues. Yeah, we'll go do that and then come back, and then I'm gonna try and get a caliper, one of the calipers I have, to be fixed. I got two options. I can either try and break this one, so this guy is seized on there. I could either try and get this guy out, or I have one off the parts Fiero that I broke the bleeder valve off of, that I could just drill out that and then retap it and then put a new bleeder in. So I'm not sure which one. Probably do the bleeder. We'll try the bleeder one because that'll be the easiest one. So, but yeah, let's go get Paul's car. Well, we made it. We're like literally like, we live down there, take a right, we're there. So we're like right here. So brought the wife's car because the truck's dead. So hopefully this fixes it. Well, it's gonna get us home and then hopefully we can figure it out. So here we were, driving down the fucking road and the fucking hood popped up. Fuck, I thought about it, as soon as I saw it go up, I was like, fuck, man, he didn't, yeah. Because I knew he had it open. I forgot. God damn it. That's a real shame. Damn it. Through the door. Alright, let's get home. Alright, looks like Paul, just the hinge got fucked. Surprisingly didn't break the windshield anymore, or the hood got bent up, so that's good. Now we're gonna make this guy work. Alright, well, this one's not gonna work. Tried drilling it out and then using a extractor, and naturally it fucking broke it. So that's not gonna work, and I'm not gonna try and drill that shit out because it's like hardened steel. So fuck that. So now we're gonna, the last shot is gonna be to get that one seized bolt off the other one. Alright, we weld that bitch in there. It's glowing red, sizzling. So hopefully this does the trick, because if not, I quit. Got him. Now I just gotta get the pins out and get them all lubed up. So let's do that, get them out and get the new ones in. Holy crap, it worked twice. Welded another nut on there, and because that wasn't coming out, the bleeder. But I have another bleeder. I already put the new guy in there I already had. We'll probably try and get the other one in there too. So yeah, let's put this in there. We'll put some of this anti-seize shit in there because we don't want that shit happening anymore. So let's get that in there and then we should be good to go. Okay, that was a fucking blast. So new pins are in, and we got the bleeder screw in, the new one. So yeah, probably won't be back till tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so here we are, next day, and we're going to get this shit done. So we'll get it jacked up here and get tire off, pull caliper off, swap all the shit around, and send it. Alright, well, new one's on there. I'm gonna have to wait till Paul gets here so that way we can bleed the brakes, but then we should be good. Alright, so that's pretty much where we're gonna end it. Brakes are good. Clutch is not good. I'm pretty sure it's the master. Yeah, because it doesn't press on the clutch until way at the bottom. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the master. This is the only thing. I've replaced the slave like 3 times now. Twice because it blew, and then this time just because there's a free warranty. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do is we'll end up ordering that, get that, and then we'll do change out the clutch master. Brakes feel good. So I mean, I haven't driven it, so I don't know whether, I mean, I drove it, I backed it out of the garage down here. Brakes feel good, but I don't know whether they're hung up or anything like that yet. So we'll see. But yeah, that's where we're gonna end it on this one, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.